Seniors, don't get on the ground. If you don't have a plan to get up, as I've aged, things have changed. Things like eyesight and balance. And although I do squats 3 times a week, I still don't have strength to get up from the ground without assistance. I think my garden stool slash kneeler is my most used garden tool. Without it, I could not do many of my gardening tasks such as weeding and planting. Garden stool kneelers are so handy. I've had this one for 5 or 6 years. It lives outside, and in spite of that, it is still in great shape. It is a little taller than the other, which fits my size for most tasks. I've only had this garden stool kneeler for a couple of months. My daughter got it for my 80th birthday. It is a little shorter than the green one, but has a wider front to back seat. I can sit on this one and reach the ground for extended amounts of time. In that way, it can be more comfortable than kneeling on the green one. Overall, the green fits me better, but the silver one might be a better fit for shorter people. Both of them fold up easily for storage. Either garden stool kneeler has many indoor uses also. The kneeler is great for reaching things under the sink, or when an item is a far reach inside a low cabinet. Or when it is in the kneeling position, you can stand on it to get a few extra inches to reach something in an upper cabinet or closet shelf. Don't stand of either garden stool kneeler when it is in the sitting position. With a garden kneeler, you are using your upper body to assist your legs to get up. Which one do you like best, Shelby? The green garden stool slash kneeler is tall enough to use in the sitting position at a table height or workbench. Either garden stool slash kneeler is low enough to reach ground level and plant seeds, or make that unpleasant task of pulling weeds a little easier. Either bench is always handy to take a quick break on before diving into your next project. And at about 6 pounds, the garden stool slash kneeler is light enough to carry to your next project. Hey, happy Monday, y'all. It's been raining the last few days, but the sun is up, and so is the humidity. I'm loving this spring day with the temps in the lower 80s. As I'm sitting here beside the horse troughs, looking at what wonders spring has brought to the growth of our plantings. In the first trough, we have some green beans which are in bloom. Also are some beets and radishes. The second trough is overflowing with zucchini. The third trough has more green beans growing on the trellis. If you hadn't noticed, this green garden stool is just about the right height to tend these horse troughs. Just thought I would mention that. What I really wanted to show you today was the useful accessories that come with both of the garden stools slash kneelers. The silver garden stool has a tool pouch with generous space for all sorts of tools. It also has 8 or 9 pockets around the outside that could hold all sorts of garden supplies like grafting tape, twine, zip ties, and on and on. You could even repurpose it for car tools, woodworking tools, sewing or knitting supplies. You get the idea. It could be so useful. The silver stool also comes with a pair of Sure Grip garden gloves. I've already put them to use. But as the TV commercial says, "But wait, there's more!" The silver stool also comes with a handy 2-pouch bag that hangs on the side of the bench in either the sitting or kneeling position. Those pouches could hold tools like your hand spade or side cutters. Surely that is all that could come with this wonderful garden stool. But wait, there's more! Although both the silver and green garden stools come with soft rubber cushions on both sides of the bench, the silver bench comes with an extra cushion that straps on the kneeling side where it is most needed. I find this most useful. This cushion is so soft on my upper chin bone, it really allows me to stay on my knees longer to complete projects. By the way, the green bench comes with 2 tool pouches for each end of the bench. They will hang in either position. I'll say it again, regardless of what project I'm involved in, one of these garden stools is normally close by. I'll leave links to both of the garden benches, kneelers in the description area below. Thanks a bunch for watching my videos, and I'd appreciate it if you would click the like button for me. If you've had experience with either of these products or similar, how did you like them? Leave a comment below about how you like them or what problems you might have had. Thanks again for watching.